What's up, everybody? Alright, for me, it is, why am I saying what's up? Because it's day 2 of this video editing for myself. Now, I'm not really sure how I'm going to put it all together. So anyhow, I'm going to get started. I got to go get my rubber boots on. And now that I'm right here, I'm very happy. I have just a little bit of water down here that I got to deal with. But besides that, that's a good thing. But I got to take out this mud that I had the pipes at, measured in, and take this mud out, put it in buckets, and then put down a clean base so that way I can walk around on it a little bit easier. Probably most likely dry up whatever water I have, and then keep moving forward. Hopefully today's goal is to get all these pipes right here connected and over to the shower for the basement and for the toilet for the basement toilet, and then start to bring the pipes up to the upstairs and for everywhere else. So let's get started. Woo! Sorry for the introduction again, but it's just what it is. Woo! That's all I gotta say. Woo! Anyhow, I know it's in fast mode, so you're probably like, oh, that probably wasn't that much mud. Let's do it. Let's see. Let me take this off of the tripod for a second. My gosh. Oh, I'm so sick of digging mud and dirt and rocks. Sorry about the bouncing around. Sorry about the poor ladding. It's just what it is. Oh. Gals and fellows and guys and women. Oh. Plumbing and digging. The plumbing part I don't mind. The digging sucks. Anyhow. You couldn't really see over there, but that's the bottom of the pipe that I got continuous with, right? And that's why I have a rubber seal cap on it right now, so nothing could get into my new drain system. But if you saw me with my little hammer and chisel, I got a big rock I just found. So I'm going to dry up this water and soak it up. I'm dripping all over the camera from my sweat, but anyhow, so that's not going to break easy, so I'm going to just hit my jackhammer with it a couple times and bust it. But anyhow, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and yes, they're almost all the way full. That's 4. Sorry for the poor lighting, but yes, look at all those dang buckets. Once again, more and more and more and more. But, oh, and there's another bucket. Yeah, see, they're almost all the way full. But if you saw me throwing some dirt over there, because I have all my buckets full again, so I'm going to have to be carrying buckets out or trying to reuse them over in that area and to fill in this area. So to do that, instead of carrying them all the way out, I'm going to put them aside, and I'm going to get over here. I'm going to bust that up. I'm going to soak up this water, bust that rock up like I said, and run my piping over to here, to that way, to the drain system. And where my shovel is right there, the spaded shovel, where I have a little shallow spot, that's where I'm having my future drain for this little room. So I might have to do a little bit more digging, but we're not sure. But I just got a clean run, 90. Well, it's not going to be a 90, but anyhow, it's a clean run, and you'll see what I'm talking about. So I'm going to get back to this, and I had to pause Charlie I can't even talk. I'm already out of breath. It's the start of the morning with a great sweat. That's how you get a good workout. Charlie Daniels. I had to pause Charlie Daniels. The South's going to rise again. Yes, I like Charlie Daniels. I like all music. Alright, let's get back to work. Whew, this old beast is already sweating. This is what a 50-year-old needs to do. Sweat his butt off every morning. Woo! I'm almost there. I'm almost 50, but not quite, but I'm almost. This is the way you do it, boys and gals. If you want to get a gym membership, piss on that gym membership. Go dig you some dirt. Ooh, what a jump, huh? What a jump, what a jump. What's up, everybody? Anyhow, I have a stubborn rock that's right in the direction of my piping, all right, for my plumbing. For the main plumbing that's going to go to the sewer city and all my drain waste. And I tried to chisel it out with my hammer, just not working. So I'm gonna try with the beast of my Harbor Freight Tools demolition jackhammer. That's right. So I gotta be really careful. I got water. I got my safety glasses on. I got my rubber boots on because I'm gonna be standing in the water, and I'm just gonna cross my fingers and hopefully this will go really quick and easy. Talk about this one right here. And I do have my extension cord that you can't really see because of the angle, but it's up in the air. It is being stubborn. This is not fun. I told you, it's being stubborn. Plan B. Pointed beast on here now. Let's see if this will work. We're gonna try to go right into the center and split it. Cross my fingers, everybody. That was a pain in the rear. Anyhow, I'm not gonna sit there and try to chisel this. I mean, it's a boulder underneath there. It goes a pretty good ways. But I wanted to make sure that there was no. Sorry about this great view, but I can't grab the camera right now. But I wanted to make sure that that rock that I chipped away on had no sharp edges, so that way when I do put the pipe on and it resting on there, it's not going to puncture the PVC new pipe. Whew, that was a lot of work. Anyhow, I'm going to go clean up and clean these hands and try to figure out how I'm going to shut this camera off. Wow. And if you're concerned about my muddy water going into my sub pump, it's the process of doing this whole remodel down here in this basement. I'm not too concerned about it because that's my, if you haven't seen it, I picked up that sub pump right there for $80 off. I picked it up for $39 so I could do exactly what I'm doing. Pump out water. I don't care if it's muddy or not. The one that's in the sub pump, same concept. I don't care, because when it's all done, I have a nice backup battery system that I'm going to be putting in there, and then I'll be taking off my sub pump cover that I temporarily have on there right now and cleaning it completely. But oh, brothers and sisters, that was a lot of work. That was a lot of work. And you saw me slip a couple times. I don't know if you saw me slip a couple times with the demolition hammer, but oof, slip off of that rock going into the mud. I gotta clean that up too now. Anyhow, it's good enough for now. It's good where I want it. See you soon.